Hello dear friends, welcome to this magical moment of learning and sharing. I am your host Eve. Today it's raining. It's 8 in the morning and it's raining in this beautiful Hague, and I would love to share with you a catchphrase that has helped me enjoy the rain, and this is aimer la vie. No, aimer la pluie, aimer la vie. And it's in French. It's a book title written by Dominique Leroux. This is one of my favorite authors that wrote and introduced me to the art of simplicity that I will talk about in the near future. And aimer la pluie, aimer la vie means to love rain is to love life. Think about it. To love rain is to love life. And this is something so magical and beautiful. Rain brings forth life. We need rain for our vegetables and fruits and animals to grow. We need rain so that we can get food. We need rain to let the trees grow, right? And you can have a different experience with the rain. Yes, it's not so friendly, it's cumbersome to deal with rain, but try considering loving to live with the rain, because rain is life. Rain brings us water, and we are made of water. So, aimer la pluie, aimer la vie. To love rain is to love life. Until next time, be good to yourself, be good to those around you. Thank you.